Don't heal, Reyna. Don't heal.
Yeah, that's good.
Finished. Reloading.
Yeah, I don't know that one.
I don't want to talk about it, but
Oh, the turret's gonna kill me.
I fucking hate my life, bro. Nice. That was a good spray. I think you heard him behind you.
Yep.
B main.
Behind me.
Yep. It sounds like they're both there, maybe. Yeah, dude, you're not gonna be able to hear. Don't do that. Oh, you could plant and get ult.
That's what I'm trying to do. If I'll get here though.
Are you gonna risk it? Yeah, it's a good plant. Are you gonna do it?
Should I do it? I
Eh.
have 35 health. No, I'm gonna save for next round.
Heal yourself?
Yeah.
I like this play.
One enemy remaining.
Now you can do it.
Found one.
Sands. Just wait.
Should I swing right or left?
Poor cat. Blinded.